If you're thinking of purchasing an electric bike, you're probably wondering what to look for. You're probably confused by the vast array of models. So what makes a great e-bike? You'll want one that can deliver power, range, and a comfortable ride. In this video, we'll look at the different factors that affect these attributes. Here is a great unit on Amazon you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
We love the safety, colors, and smooth ride of these scooters. This was purchased for my 2.5-year-old. He picked it up pretty quick, even the lean to turn feature. The wheels are more like the traditional scooter, which make it a little more speedy and fun. His 5-year-old brother loves to hop on it too. Decent quality without being top of the line. Would buy again. Let me preface this by saying I'm 51 and 200 plus and I can ride this bike with ease. The seat adjusts to a comfortable level and easy to adjust. The ride is ridiculously smooth and makes you want to go ride a bike all the time. The motor transitions without feeling it kick in and is in play only when you need it. You don't feel as though the bike is running away from you. Perfect bike for a commuter or long rides. The seat has a shock so you don't feel bumps and is comfortable. Dream bike for anyone looking for an electric bike. Bike is lightweight, handles easily and tires provide good stability. I just received my new bike and it is awesome. This is my first electric bike and it is a lovely white color as pictured. I took mine to a bike shop to assure it was set up correctly and safely for a minimal charge. The battery power engages very smoothly with a low hum and makes pedaling up a hill a complete delight with a very stable, tight re. My kid loves it. Very well built. Saw a few at local stores and they were nothing in comparison. Click the link in description for more reviews.